Alright, so the video you're about to watch is an interesting one. Did you guys know that DJ Ollah is a prophet? Akatobetsera vanhu vanosvika kuma-thousands, including people who are famous. Without wasting much of your time, let's just jump right into it. But we'll pause a bit and say something whenever we feel like to do that. Alright, let's jump into it.
Are you a prophet?
Okay, I think you're the first man or the first person to ask me this question on air.
Direct.
So I'm going to be very open, honest. I got a spiritual a gift when I was 9 years. When I was about to turn 9, that's when I received this gift.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. And I was very short. I think that was grade 1. Should be grade 4. I think. Yeah, they're about should be grade 4. Very young. That's when I started to do Basaramwa.
Okay.
Until today.
So in other words, from 9 years old,
Yes. So it's been almost close to 27 years doing this thing.
Wow.
But I've managed to separate the two, my profession and my spirituality.
So
Very well.
these are two different offices.
Yes, two different offices. When I'm to church in Goma teach, you will see a different order. There's no order church. There's Mazaba Owen.
Yeah.
When I'm doing this thing, there's DJ Ollah 7. Two different things, two different offices, two different worlds.
Wow.
Yes. And I think I've helped thousands of people. Thousands of people.
I've heard a lot of testimonies.
Yeah,
And then there was a gentleman who came up and wrote about Madzibaba Owen.
yes.
Zvichinzi Madzibaba Owen varukutorasika varikuita zvepa-TV. Ngavasiyane nazvo. Mwari achada sei achavaranga.
Yeah.
You know about that?
Yeah, I know.
What is your response?
There's nothing wrong. Kuweba TV. There's nothing wrong at all. No.
Masova abvumire kuti imi muri kuita zvekunamata makuita zvekupfeka masutu muchitaura chirungu
My
patelevision.
question to that man is simple. Naye mukoma kumba kwenyu munogara here pasi nehama kana vaenzi kana veshamwari muchiita conversation.
Yes.
If the answer is yes, that's what we are doing. So how can God punish me for doing something that you're already doing at your place, only that I'm on camera? You have your cell phone at home. You've got beautiful memories in your phone with your relatives. So if so, why then do you feel sorry for me and not feel sorry for yourself? There's nothing wrong at all. There's nothing wrong. I think what's wrong is then places for example, like Mapawa, Wabunuwainiwa, and stuff. I don't do that.
Okay.
I don't do clubbing. I love music. Yes, I listen to the music, Motamango, Kumbakwango and stuff. I don't do clubbing. I only go to my events when I'm emceeing. If it's not about Basarang, I don't go. So yeah, I just got to get in a Mari Marados. Can I do something? Code Dolanda Pio, Arabada, and Manango, Maron to Grass.
Madzibaba.
Sure, I'm not
Saka munogona kutitaurira kuti munobatsira nani mazita mahombe zvakumirwere
pakubatsira vanhu vandinobatsira vanani. I think most of the big guys vamunotoziva kumashowe wese vamunora both on social media nevamusingatooni vese tinovabatsira
masowe
kumashowe kumashowe ikoko tibatsira nevanhu vasiri kumashowe actually.
So how do they get in touch with you? Do they call you or no?
I'm different because I don't like being I don't like that. I don't do that. So
in other words, I was just cash.
No. I've never received anyone's cash money to say, I want you to help me, $500. No.
Even
Not a single cent. Okay, let me tell you something. That's a very good question. In 2008, when I was 4-4, someone came kumba kuchitungisa St. Mary's. Ndakabatsira mukadzi akarwa nezvinhu zvezvikurwa nezvishiri akati zi kumba kwaizara St. Mary's atinga vanozviziva paiva pakazara pafenzi edodona fenzi auya vanamubatsira vanhu amuka ipapa handiti amuka right away vanhu vaiva vakaenda atindotonga mapurisa mwacho ndokuzodzoka nedefender ndati chichakuitika so but I want to thank you wakatomira ipapo wakanosvika kakorola kakorola toita korola kaipisa madezi acho so ndobva waya kanitakugira gift sango kutendai takatongoita funga kuti munhu atofa I said no I upset my mom was very angry with me.
But why is that? Do you think that I know kanganisa your gift?
Zvine pakawanda pazvinokanganisa. Number one, ukadzidza tsika yekuti unotora zvinhu zvevanhu kana uchinge wabatsira uchapedzisira iwewe wakubatsira vanhu vane mari vanokupa vasingakupi wewe, you just end up saying tichazokuonai. Number two, zvinoguma zvakukanganisa iwewe pa ukama hwako naMwari because your focus inenge yapa mari more yekupiwa more than kushandira futi kana mhuri yako wega. Ina encourage vanhu vaMwari vese, be it a pastor, a prophet, an apostle, whoever, to work for your family. Don't depend on mari inobva kuvanhu vechurch. Don't depend kumari inobva kuvanhu vabatsira. Vanhu vavo vakasakupa, you start cursing them nemashoko. Hey, people will end up giving you out of fear, not because they want to give you. So just work for yourself. God will reward you.
So yeah, that is it, guys. That's who DJ Ollah is. He is a prophet, and he's been a prophet since he was, I think, 9, he said. But yeah, so imagine, he has not been saying it, and he's quiet about it. And we all knew DJ Ollah as a radio presenter, right? So now, how would you know that he's a prophet? Kumasowe, how would you know? You would not know. My sample is DJ Ollah muprofita. Daima msina kuona this video. Daima msina kuona iyo DJ Ollah vachitaura. You would not know. So message yangu ndeye kuti chipana. Ndeye kuti remember ndakaita video last time ndichiti nini? It's very impossible for somebody to succeed in life without being spiritually backed. Right? When you admire, for an example, when you admire DJ Ollah, I admire him, so it's possible, I can do it, it's possible. Yet it's spiritual. Not knowing the background it is spiritual. Right? Can I have a background it is spiritual, it would be easier for him because whenever he's going to be attacked financially. Right? Because ukangonza kuti DJ Ollah vakakwita pa radio station vakauya kuzoita zve podcast vakadidididi, you would think kuti you would go the same route. It would not work. And some of you are still thinking kuti why Vanashugeta or why other people are still on radio, why don't they just quit like DJ Ollah and do their own things? It's not as easy as you think. You have to be spiritually guided. You'll be surprised to know that DJ Ollah was told by the Spirit to quit radio and start this, whatever that he's doing, right? Because most of spiritual people, they wait to be guided by the Spirit that is working with them, right? So obviously, maybe he was told to be on radio. But how would you know? You yourself, if you were working for a radio station, you would say, since DJ Ollah left his work for content creation or for podcast, let me also do the same thing. You do that, you quit your work, and then things would not work out for you because you are not spiritually guided and you are not spiritually backed. Now, you just realize that DJ Ollah is a prophet. We all knew that he is Mazbaba, but we were not even sure about him being Mazbaba because we thought when Mazbaba would not do TV or would not be on podcast, would not build a podcast platform. Kana wanga usina kuudziwa waizviziva sei kuti DJ Ollah mu postori, waizviziva sei kuti mu profita. So now this applies also to Satanists. There are Satanists who are on public. The people you think are innocent, the people you think are good, most of them know are told about Satanists. Satanists know how to be humble. Satanists know how to keep quiet. They don't run to their mouth saying bad things they are not supposed to be saying. They are humble. That's actually how you would see even a witch. There is somebody who's always willing to help. There's somebody who's always willing to do good. Most witches do that. If you are neighbors with a witch, he's always bringing food to you. He's always helping you. He's always asking if you need help, so that you can say, yes, I need help, give me $10. Yes, I need help, give me mealie meal. Yes, I need help, give me cooking oil. I'm not saying this about DJ Ollah or anyone else, but I'm just saying, if a Satanist could not tell you, if a Satanist cannot tell you that who he is, if a Satanist cannot tell you that he's a Satanist, how would you know? You would be friends with one. You would be watching one. You would listen to one. Because in your mind, you think Satanists are out there wearing dark garments and putting horns and eating human meat. That's what you think. Satanists are just normal human beings like you. So be careful. Don't trust anybody. I'm not saying don't trust DJ Ollah. I'm simply saying don't trust anybody. So like we grew up knowing kuti kune vanhu vanoita zve-Illuminati, kune mabhinya, kune masatanist, kune varoi. But right now, is that still in your mind? No, it's not. Because you feel like wainyepero chikura. Because you don't know, you don't see witches. You thought maybe you were going to see witches flying around, so kuti ugoona kuti uyo muroi. Muroi ari kutofamba in front of you. Muroi is your neighbor. Muroi munhu ari kuchurch, deacon, pastor, muroi. Those people, especially mumachurches, vaya vanonzi vari humble, vaya vazhinji vacho. Vari kumberi vatori ma-leaders, kana kuri kuworship anenge ari leader, kana kuri muchechi anenge achinzi ndiye vice chichi or vice president wemuchechi. Because those people are humble and they obey. Whenever the pastor says, do this, even I want you to listen. Even if you are a pastor listening to this, ngwarira even vanhu vanofungidzana kuti vari humble muchechi, kungoti munhu apinda muchechi 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, waona humility yake, wakutomupa position. Mangwana next Sunday kune announcement, tiri kugadza nhingi, takuisa nhingi pa-elder, tine a new elder, wakuannounce. Just because waona humility yemunhu. Witches are trained to be humble so that they can deceive. Witches are not loud. Witches don't speak. Witches are quiet. And witches have so much love. They know the power of these things. In this video, I'm not here to talk about him being a prophet or mweya wari kushandisa and all that. No. I know inini as munhu ari ku Pentecostal side. I know tinotori my differences that DJ Ollah about madzibaba and all that. But that's not what I'm here for. I'm just here to tell you kuti munhu anogona kutoita zvemanjuzu antori hama yako. I was speaking to a friend of mine who was saying kuti anga aine musikana aimudza kuti aenda pasi pemvura achinzi queen and all that. Ndakamutaurira kuti wangu musikana iyeye anoziva more than what she told you. She was actually a marine queen. Because ukaona wasvika palevel rokunzwa kunzi queen in the kingdom of darkness, unenge watoroorwa naSatan, because Satan ndiye king kingdom of darkness. So unenge wamukadzi waSatan. Satan uchine vakadzi vakawanda a lot. So ukaona wasvika palevel rokunzwa kunzi queen, unenge wakaroorwa naSatan. And that person ndiwo unenge uchiti i-girlfriend yako. Trust me, anenge achitoita kunge ari normal. Munhu ari normal kumberi kwako, in front of your eyes, that person is normal. Just like any other human being. But in the spiritual world, they are not who you think they are. So even iye mfeso wangu, kana inini, how would I know kuti musikana uyu anoita zvemanjuzu kana anoita musatanist? How would I know? Daina sina kuudziwa ne friend yangu. So yeah, be careful of the people who are around you. Vanhu ivo vaya munototi vari humble. Wapinda Cape Town, wapinda ku UK, wapinda ku America, waona a humble person and you decide to become friends with them. Because sometimes you decide to become friends with them because they bring you gifts, they greet you every time, they respect you, and then you feel like that is a good person that you should join, that you should be with. Kana uri pastor, usagadze vanhu pazvigaro muchurch just because vane humility. you must test those people. At least do a prayer and fasting with them. Tell them to confess certain things. Not to confess, but to say words. Like, Jesus is my Lord and Savior. So, even if there is a spirit within them, that spirit will be provoked and it will manifest. And I'm telling you, if you're not spiritual and if you have not been dreaming, trust me, munhu ari normal every night unofana kurota. Kana usingaroti every night, question it. Something has blocked your dreams because God speaks to men when they are asleep. Sometimes. So kana usingacharoti, you would not know that your neighbor is against you. But kana uchirota, kana hope dzako dziri open, dzakavhurika, you will know. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. It's again your brother Peter Mutarani. If you're not subscribed, please like this video and share this video and click the subscribe button. Pamino like a video, no recommend wakawanda, then this channel will grow because Panapat no spread positivity, to no spread good news about God, to no gossiper about God, and the gospel, so that no cast a good spell. Anyway, let me tell you one thing. Did you know my pastor said they are evangelists. They are supposed to be evangelists. They are busy out there talking. They have confidence telling people about certain people. So what is that? If you just switch the person you are talking about, who can gossip about Jesus, then you are an evangelist. So gossipers, you are evangelists and you are supposed to evangelize. Question your heart, search your heart. Kana uri munhu anofara kuita makuhwa, iwewe vachakunoziva. Kana uri munhu anofara kuita makuhwa, just know that you are an evangelist. You should change munhu wokunyeya. Ndaunonyeya Jesu. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, Peter Mutarani once again, signing out.